Here's a real-world example. Hector is measuring the boundary of a new garden. He wants the garden to be square. He has set each of the corner stakes 6 feet apart. What does Hector need to know to make sure that the garden is a square? According to 6.20, if you have a rectangle that is a rhombus, you have a square. So, if we want to prove that something's a rectangle, we have to establish that we have 90-degree angles. From the last lesson, you learned that if you measure the diagonals, and those diagonals are congruent, that means you have 90-degree angles. So you have to make sure that you have congruent diagonals. Once you have established that you have congruent diagonals, you know you have a rectangle. Now, if we knew that, we'd have a rectangle. We also have to prove that we have a rhombus. Well, I know that all rectangles are parallelograms. And since it is a parallelogram, if I have 2 consecutive sides that are the same, I know by theorem 6.19 that I have a rhombus. So I have a rhombus with 90-degree angles that is indeed a square.